Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic DraftSig tutorials how to change line types. For example, I will create lines with line command. Okay, start from this point. With length, I will set into 50. And if you want to change these line types, you can type line type, press enter, and click load button. Now you can search in here for the line type. For example, I will use these tools, dash 2, click OK, and then OK again. Now you can select the line object, go to properties tab, and then you can change in here by layer. You can choose dash 2. So the line type will be automatically changed. If you want to scale this line type, you can click after this option in properties that I will set into 3. Press enter. The line type scale will be automatically changed more bigger. You also can set again, select into 1 as default. Okay, that's it for basic DraftSig tutorials, how to change line types. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.